post starts or the caption starts with, I lost a client, right? And it tells a story about what happened. It would have been 3 years prior to the post, but this was one of our big clients at the time and we lost the contract. And I remember when I got the phone call, I called my wife right after and I said, hey, we just lost so and so client. And, I said, I'm going to go and eat my weight in sushi and feel sorry for myself. And instead of doing that, I put on my running shoes and I went for a run down by the lake. I looked at the water. That's where I like to go and just have my time to myself and really reflect. And I'm so glad that I did it that day. And I may have pulled up my phone and went on Instagram and I saw a quote and it was just perfect. And it said, I am not a product of my circumstances. I'm a product of my decisions. I ran back home. I took off my shoes, I went back to my desk, and I got to work and figured it out. And we talked a little bit about the entrepreneurial mindset today. I think that's really what it does take.